Now when you're restoring older computers, sometimes they have these RF shields in them, and especially if you want to retrobrite the case, it's usually a good idea to take these out because you don't want them to rust as they get into contact with whatever bleaching solution that you like to use. Sometimes you'll also find that the shielding itself can start to rust, as you can see here. This is a pretty mild example. I've seen some where it's much worse than that, and in that case it's best to get this out, clean it off, remove the rust, maybe treat it to prevent further rusting. The way I usually like to do that is I take side cutter pliers, usually used to remove leads from capacitors that you've just soldered onto a board, and what you do is you just clip off the little bits of plastic that holds the shield into place and then take it out. Later on, when you've finished your repairs and your retrobrite, you simply put them back on, and where the piece of plastic used to be, add some glue or add some epoxy to put that back into place, let it dry, and it should look like new.